Have you ever been working in an Excel workbook and you see these dashed lines and you can't figure out how to get rid of them? You might be thinking, are these borders that got added? Could I go up to our home tab in the border section, remove borders? That doesn't get rid of them. Or you might think, can I delete where these dashed lines are, but they're still there? Well, this is actually Excel showing us that there's page breaks. And to get rid of those, it's a pretty quick, easy step if we know where to go to. So in order to get rid of those dashed lines, we'll go over to our File tab. We'll go all the way to the bottom at Options. And once we're in here, we'll go down to Advanced. Then we'll scroll down to where we see Display Options for this worksheet. And we'll see that the Show Page Breaks is currently selected. We'll uncheck that and we'll hit OK. And there we can see that we have now removed those dashed lines from our worksheet.